Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. Let's start English work. Today we will be doing sound words of IT and IT. Let's start with IG sound words. IG, egg. Big, big. He is playing with the big ball. Pig, pig. The eyes of pig are small and ears are long. Dig, dig. The gardener dig the soil to sow the seeds. Fig, fig. I like eating fig. Gig, gig. Gigs was used for king and queens. Wig, wig. This is a wig. Now let's start with IT sound words. IT, it. It, bit. I put bits of paper in the dustbin. It, lit. I lit a candle on Diwali. It, fit. I am fit and healthy. It, kit. This is doctor's kit. It, hit. Hit a ball. It, sit. We should sit attentively in the class. Now, let's recall all the sound words again. Ig. Let's start with the words. Gig, gig. Big, big. Pig, pig. Fig, fig. Dig, dig. Wig, wig. Now let's recall IT sound words. It, bit. It, fit. It, lit. It, hit. It, kit. It, sit. Thank you, kids. Hope you understood the concept of IG and IT sound words. Bye bye, kids.